Empower Digi Teach Project. Unit 1, Selecting, Creating, and Modifying Digital Resources. Lesson 1.1 Searching and Selecting Resources. Hello, Ruth. I was thinking about how it can be overwhelming to select digital resources for our classes. Do you have any advice? Hey, Eric. Of course, it is an important topic. With so many resources available, it's easy to feel lost. The first step is to know where we are. Are you familiar with the Digital Competence Framework for teachers? Yes, but I'm not sure how to apply it. What does each level mean? Well, it starts by being an initial level, which hardly uses the internet, to become a pioneer, which promotes the use of digital resources. It's good to know your starting point to see how to progress. And why is it so crucial to choose digital resources? Well, Eric, digital resources allow students to study from anywhere, anytime. Using platforms such as Google Classroom or Moodle, they can access materials without the limitations of the classroom. That is true. I also believe that these tools encourage creativity. Students can create blogs with WordPress, Blogger, or Wix, make visual presentations with Canva, for example. Or even educational videos with Powtoon or Clipchamp that help them share their work with a wider audience. Exactly. In addition, multimodal communication is essential. The integration of images and videos in online discussions makes learning more immersive and participatory. I fully agree. Effective feedback is also easier with digital platforms. Students can receive detailed feedback through audio messages or self-assessments, enriching their learning. Yes. And activities such as forums and wikis encourage collaboration, while adaptive tools allow personalized learning adjusting to the progress of each student. Finally, inclusive accessibility is essential. Tools such as Legends and text-to-speech allow the full participation of all students. Now that we talk about the benefits of digital resources, how can we choose the most suitable for our classes? Good question, Eric. Let's go over a 7-step plan for selecting digital assets that really work. Step 1. Establish goals and needs. What exactly are we talking about? First, decide whether you want to use digital resources in all of your classes, or just some of them. It is also essential to define the learning outcomes you want to achieve. Step 2. Organize the search for resources. Should we keep a record of what we find? Yes, exactly. Keep a document where you write down the resources you find and their relevance. In addition, divide the lesson into different components, such as interactive activities and visual resources. Step 3. Research techniques. What terms should I use to search? Make a list of keywords related to the Industrial Revolution, such as steam engine or factories. Think also of synonyms. Step 4. Search for digital resources. Where can we find good resources? Use sites like Unsplash for images and YouTube for educational videos. In addition, platforms such as Edutopia offer materials reviewed by experts. Step 5. Evaluate and select resources. How do we know if a resource is good? Review each resource to ensure it aligns with your learning objectives. If you don't fit, ask yourself if you can adapt it. Step 6. Implement and review. What do we do after choosing the resources? Integrate resources into your classroom plan and see how they work. Collect feedback from students to make adjustments in future classes. Step 7. Ethical considerations. What should we pay attention to? Verify the privacy and security of resources. In addition, make sure they are accessible to all students, with features such as Legends. See you in the next lesson. Ciao.